channel. Today we're going to be making edible slime. And at the last episode, we were like, we went to McDonald's, but it gave me an idea of making edible slime. So let's get ready to do this. And while we're doing it, I'll tell you the ingredients that you need and how you do it. And right now I have a special guest. Her name is Marmar and she'll be helping me.
Hi.
So, oh yeah, while you're making this, if you're under 19, if you're under teens, then you have to have a grown-up supervise you. And if you're under 19, if you're actually under teens, then when you're done, when the microwave beeps, or if your microwave doesn't beep, make sure for a grown-up to take out the starburst. And by the way, let's get started. So, first you pick out whichever colors you want. So I'm picking out pink and yellow. And then we got another one if we want to try it again. So you bring